Now, if you're looking for a reliable way to heal that broken bone, you can't do much better than a cast. Now, we've only got 100 of these babies left, so you better move fast. They are selling quicker than a sprinter on race day.
Oh, and this is really something. Take a look at this. Can we zoom in, get a close-up on this, please?
So romantic. Look at all the warmth and comfort it provides.
Don't forget healing power.
Loved ones can write poems on here. Friends can draw little pictures. So much fun on one simple cast.
And we accept all major credit cards, so just go for it.
My favorite thing about this cast
What's that?
is you can wear it every day of the week.
Oh, yeah.
You know, it goes with everything. You can wear it with a t-shirt or a dress or crutches, you name it. If you are wearing one of these, you are guaranteed to get noticed.
Absolutely. Operators are standing by, so just pick up those phones, people.
We love these, and we know you will too.
Oh, I almost forgot the best part.
What?
The price.
Oh.
At only $3,449.95 each. These casts are one of our best values yet, but supplies are limited, so please, don't wait.
Why would you ever take a deal like this? We have a better deal. Health coverage that's affordable for you. Get covered today so you don't have to buy these things for yourself. Get started at getcoveredillinois.gov.